In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Microsoft Word. There are a few different ways to build a flowchart in Word, including SmartArt, but today we'll use the simplest and most flexible method, shapes. This gives you precise control over each box and connector, which is great when you want to customize the layout. Start by opening your document and going to the Insert tab. Click Shapes to open the gallery. You'll see basic boxes like rectangles and rounded rectangles, decision diamonds, and several types of connectors. For the top of the flowchart, pick a rectangle and draw it near the top of the page. This will be the head of your chart. Click inside the shape to type your text. You can resize the shape by dragging the handles, and you can adjust the text formatting using the Home tab so it's easy to read. Next, add a connector to show the relationship to the next level. Go back to Insert, choose Shapes, and pick a line or arrow. If the next box isn't there yet, no problem. Draw the line downward from the bottom of the first shape. You can snap it into place once the second shape is added. For cleaner results, use a connector line which attaches neatly to the edges of shapes. Now add the second shape directly below the first one. Draw another rectangle and type its label, for example, Vice President, or the next step in your process. Position it so it's centered under the first shape. If you drew the line earlier, adjust the endpoints so the connector snaps to both shapes and looks straight. Under that second shape, you can add more boxes for the next level, such as the council. Draw one rectangle, format it the way you like, and then copy and paste to duplicate it quickly. This keeps your sizing and style consistent. Arrange the boxes in a row under the second shape and use connector lines to link them. If needed, add arrowheads to show direction. You can hold Shift while drawing lines to keep them straight. As you build, watch the alignment guides in Word. They help you line things up and space them evenly. If you want to tweak the look, select a shape and use Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Shape Effects for color and style. The key is consistency, so your chart is clean and easy to follow, and that's how to create a flowchart in Microsoft Word using shapes. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials.